Rubble, Barney. Dumpster, dude. A tour of homes. Sherlock, that is. The game is afoot. Cleaned out and empty. Let's go there. I see a saw. If my name was Esau, I would be Esau who said he saw a saw. But it's only me. It's only me. One of my biggest fans. Oh, I wonder what it looks like up there. Let's just find out. Up the ladder to the roof. Oh, it's air conditioned up here too. Oh, we still got some stuff. We still got some stuff. What do you think? Oh, there's a leak. In this old building, yes, there's a leak. In this old house, well, there's a leak. In this old building, we're gonna move to a better place. We're gonna move to a better place. We're gonna move to a better place. Whoa, yeah.